This website have indexing issues from its very beginning. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fix this in non-index issue, and I will show you how you can fix these issues for your website. For this, I have to analyze this website first, which I have done a video before where I audited this website completely. Okay, so let's go and check it out, how we can make this website indexable again for Google. So when I come to the post, I found that there are lots of posts here. So what I'm going to see, is there any posts are in draft? Let's go to the next page. It's okay. Next page. Oh, there are lots of posts in draft. Okay. So what I am going to do is publish the draft pages and pick every single blog post and go to the pages and give Google an instruction to come to these pages and crawl this by their robot. What I'm going to do now, first I can check the plugin. Is there any plugin which is protecting this website, preventing this website from getting indexed in Google? So here I can see there is Yoast SEO. I prefer to go for RankMath. Why? Because in my previous experience, I found that Yoast SEO have lots of issues in their website own. But when it's come to RankMath SEO, they are very clear and they are responsive in their support areas. So what I'm going to do is change this plugin and move all data to RankMath, and let's see how it's helped in our website indexability. Let's go. First, add new plugin. Here is the RankMath SEO. Install now. It's installing. Activate. Nice. For now, I think I should skip it here. I want to go for easy mode, but before I want to do it from my backend. Or let's see how it's easy modes go with import data from Yoast SEO. Yes. Score. Sure. Start import. It's importing. It's complete. Let's continue. Yeah, it's a personal blog. I think that's enough. Let's save and continue. Okay, let's connect your RankMath account. I'm connecting with my account. I'm setting up here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is save and continue. Okay, let's return to dashboard now. Deactivating. Yeah. Okay, now what I have to see is everything okay or not? Yeah, I think it's getting well right now. Okay, so let's see how. Again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to import data again to set up wizard. Not like this. Wait. Status and tool, RankMath. Plugin. So we have deleted this Yoast SEO plugin from here, and now what I'm going to do is go to pages where I will share this overview that we have small pages that are indexed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick this URL from here and paste it here to check is this page is if we can find this page on Google. So I'm going to paste the live URL from here. It's testing right now. Once it's tested, we can see how it's performed. This live URL, let's see. Yeah, it's available on Google, so we can request for indexing. Request index, submitting in request, and yeah, index requested, and the URL is added for crawl QA. So that's for right now. What I'm going to do, I will do it for every single page exists here, and I will request Google to come my website and crawl all these links here. Okay. So after doing that, I can show you the result when it's crawled. Okay, so it's been some time that it's actually start indexing. So in this time, I just added internal linking for my website, and yeah, it's start indexing. So maybe I will give overview, or I will give a report in some months. But for right now, yes, the indexing issues start fixing, and I think it will fix the whole website as fast as possible. So that's all. Thank you to watch my video. If you want for a one-on-one meeting, you can just click on the link below anywhere. Okay, you will find my Calendly link, and we will meet there to turn your website into a full-time sales machine by using SEO and other stuff. Thank you.